publishing category isn't romance, it isn't self-help. And it definitely isn't the AI-flooded business section. It's the one category almost nobody can enter because for 15 years it's had a wall around it, a wall made of money parents. Spent over $2.5 billion on children's books on Amazon last year. And the reason you didn't get a single dollar of it has nothing to do with talent, effort, or how badly you wanted it. It's a mechanism, a hidden cost structure that locked out 95% of everyone who ever tried. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the wall. And then I'm going to show you the exact moment it came down. Here's what nobody tells you about kids' books. The buyer is almost never the reader. A grandmother buys for a grandkid, a teacher buys for a classroom. A friend buys for a baby shower. Kids' books are the only category on Amazon driven by gift economics. And gifts get bought on emotion in seconds all year round. Birthdays don't stop, holidays don't stop, the buying never stops. So why isn't everyone publishing kids' books? Because a kid's book needs illustrations on every page. And hiring an illustrator costs $50 to $200 per page. 20-page picture book. That's $1,000 to $4,000 before you've written a word. Before you validated a niche. Before you know if anyone will buy. That's door no, won the illustration wall. And the people who try to cheat it with free AI image tools, they hit door no too. The character on page 1 looks nothing like the character on page 5. Different face, different hair, different kid. Parents notice instantly and they do not buy. It's called character consistency. And the big consumer AI tools genuinely can't do it out of the box. And the rare person who somehow got past both doors. They published one ebook and left it sitting there invisible. While the same story could have been a YouTube Kids video, a TikTok animation, a flip book, an activity book, 3 locked doors. That's the mechanism. It was never about you, it was about the doors. Now there's a small community of publishers you've probably never heard of. Stay-at-home parents, retirees, teachers publishing on the side. They cracked this niche years ago and they've been quietly building catalogs of 3050. 80 illustrated books. They don't sell courses, they don't post income screenshots. They just publish books that sell. Until recently, joining them required one thing: money for illustrators. That requirement just disappeared. Because for the first time, one system unlocks all 3 doors. The illustration cost, the consistency problem, and the single platform trap in one session. In under 10 minutes, this is DreamForge AI, the first complete end-to-end kids book publishing system. Watch what happens. Step 1, you open the story builder and pick your angle. Bedtime, adventure, moral lesson. Educational, holiday. The structure is already built, no blank page. Step to click generate. The AI writes a complete multi-page kids story, real pacing, real art. Age-appropriate language. Then click illustrate, and this is the part no other tool can do. Look at the character page, 1 page, 7 page, 15. Same face, same hair, same outfit, same kid. DreamForge locks your character's design and reproduces it on every single page. The scenes change, the character doesn't. That right there is the difference between a book parents scroll past and a book parents buy. Then click narrate professional, read aloud, audio built in. Click animate, and the same illustrated story becomes a fully produced video, formatted for YouTube Kids, plus vertical cuts for shorts, reels, and TikTok. Step 3, publishing view. One click generates your print-ready KDP paperback file. Correct bleed margins, trim size. Your Kindle file, your cover, and Amazon-optimized listing copy. Story, illustrations. Narration, animation, publishing files, every freaking. You're not creating a book, you're creating a source asset. That one story can become a paperback, earning Amazon royalties. A Kindle edition, a YouTube Kids video with ad revenue potential. Short-form videos driving free traffic back to your listing. Even a companion activity book sold as its own product. And because DreamForge locks your character, book 1 becomes a series. Book 2 takes 8 minutes, the character's already saved. Book 3, 8 minutes. When a parent's kid loves book 1, they come back for the whole set. A 10-book illustrated series. Used to cost $10,000 to $40,000 to produce, now it's a weekend. So here's everything you're getting today: the story builder, the AI illustration engine with character lock the narration engine, the interactive flipbook reader with shareable links, the video animation engine, the quiz and activity generator, all KDP auto-publishing and a complete commercial license. Create custom books for paying clients and keep 100% of every fee. Plus, for launch bonuses, the kids book Niche Map, the royalty blueprint, the description swipe file, and the cover and title optimization guide. And if you're one of the first 100 buyers to more, the quick start publishing checklist and the YouTube Kids monetization playbook. To replicate this with freelancers and separate tools, you'd spend thousands per book plus monthly subscriptions on top. Your investment today during this launch window only is a single one-time payment of $14.95. No monthly fees on your access ever. And you're completely protected. Use DreamForge AI for a full 30 days. Build real books. Generate real illustrations, render real videos. If it doesn't deliver everything you just watched, one email and you get every penny back, no forms, no questions. Which means the only real risk is closing this video. Because Amazon's algorithm rewards the books that get there first. Every niche you're thinking about right now, someone else is thinking about too. And after this launch window closes, this one-time price is gone. You've seen the wall. You've seen it come down. There's one thing left to do. Click the button below this video. Secure your access to DreamForge AI and public.